National Education Day, 11th November. National Education Day of India is celebrated on 11th November every year. It is an annual observance in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. He was the first education minister of independent India who served from 15th August 1947 to 2nd February 1958. It is also known as Rashtriya Shiksha Divas. On 11 September 2008, the Ministry of Human Resource Development (HRD) announced to commemorate the birthday of the great person by recalling the contribution of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad in the field of education by celebrating 11th November as National Education Day. Since 2008, every year in India, National Education Day is celebrated without declaring it a holiday. According to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, schools are the laboratories that produce future citizens of the country. He is the person behind IITs and various other institutes in India. Now let's know about Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. His original name was Abul Kalam Ghulam Muhyiddin and also known as Maulana Abul Kalam Azad or Maulana Azad. He was born on 11th November 1888 in Mecca, now in Saudi Arabia, and died on 22nd February 1958 in New Delhi. He was a freedom fighter, journalist, and reformer and committed to building a nation through education. He was a leader of the Indian National Congress and elected as President of Congress in 1923 and 1940. He was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously, India's highest civilian honor, in 1992. In 1912, he started the publication weekly namely Al Hilal to attack the policies of the British government and also focus on the problems faced by Indians at that time. After gaining independence, he was appointed as India's first Minister of Education and he was also inducted in the Constituent Assembly to draft India's constitution. In his tenure, various measures were taken to improve and to promote primary and secondary education. He also focused on scientific education, established several universities, and promoted the avenues of the research and higher studies. He worked for free education in India and wrote several poems in Urdu. Some educational institutions established by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. On 28 December 1953, he established the University Grants Commission (UGC). He had established IISc and School of Architecture and Planning. In 1953, he established Sangeet Natak Academy. In 1954, he founded Sahitya Academy and Lalit Kala Academy. In 1951, he established the Indian Institute of Technology. He also played a crucial role in the development of the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and the faculty of the Delhi University. The day is also seen as an occasion to remember Azad's contribution in laying the foundations of the education system in an independent India and evaluating and improving the country's current performance in the field. I like to end my words with his quote, "Education imparted by heart can bring revolution to the society." Thank you.